welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make banana soft cake. But guys, before we start the video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the notification bell button to receive our latest videos. So guys, as you can see here, this is the ingredients. The ingredients are flour,
eggs,
melted butter, sugar, bananas, fresh milk,
and some chocolate chips,
cinnamon, and lastly baking powder. So guys, as you can see, we're going to smash the bananas first. Let's get started.
peel some bananas,
Yeah.
and smash the like.
Guys, there's a lot of smashing it.
Hard.
Gonna try?
You're a strong guy, you smash it.
Okay.
So guys, while my brother is smashing some bananas there, we are going to crack some eggs. Let's crack this.
So guys, as you can see, we smashed the bananas already.
And crack some of these eggs.
So guys, first after we smashed and cracked those, we're going to mix the dry ingredients first. First, we must put cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
And after that, we are going to put a pin of salt. Yes. And now
We're going to put the
we
pin
put
salt.
now we put this one. Okay, a pin of salt.
Now guys, the next one is baking powder, 2 tablespoons.
And
guys.
two.
Now guys, we're going to mix the dry ingredients.
Okay guys, let's mix the wet ingredients now. First, let's put the egg in here. Okay.
Next guys is the melted butter.
Here is the melted butter, guys. And now next, the sugar.
Oh yeah, the sugar. And also guys, we're going to put half milk.
Half milk. Okay, and now guys, we mix them. That's why guys, we put 5 eggs. It's because so that it will be soft. If we did not put 5 eggs, it will not be soft.
So guys, we're going to mix the wet with the dry
Ingredients to the
dry ingredients. So careful.
you do this. Okay, we can do that.
excited what is the
result
of this one. Okay, now we'll mix it.
you mix it. It's gonna be hard.
Oh wow.
It's hard, guys. So we mix it with flour.
Must be careful, guys.
And now, guys, we are going to put the yummy chocolate chips.
After we finish mixing it.
And mix. Okay, guys. So
Yeah.
this is
I've prepared a baking pan and we put butter first inside and then after that put the baking paper.
Yes.
We're going to put the
After that, we put that inside this baking.
yeah.
Okay.
So guys, let's start.
Carefully.
It's like
So, guys, here is
we've put all the banana. Yeah.
the one we made. So, guys,
See you in. We're going to cook this in
45
to
minutes
1.
to 1 hour. Yes.
Yes. So guys,
See you.
later.
1 hour later.
Hi
Hello,
guys.
guys.
As you can see,
Wow.
the
Yeah.
banana cake is hot.
It's not hot.
It's hot. Touch it. So guys, we're going to slice it and taste it, but
Yeah.
like,
So,
guys,
guys,
it's already we have it and let's taste it.
it's hot.
Okay.
We can use this fork, right? Wow. The black. Okay.
It's yummy, guys. The chocolate.
The chocolate on it.
It's hot, but it's hot.
Ah.
It's hot, but it's hot.
It's crunchy at the top.
Oh, wow. Tastes like the same one. So guys, this is the end of the video and don't forget guys to smash that like button, subscribe and click that notification bell button to receive our latest video. And I wish you enjoy the banana cake and bye!
Bye bye. See you in our next video.